Hi guys, if your NOCO boost plus GB40 is showing you a blinking error light and not jump starting, do not panic. In today's video, you are going to learn what it actually means and how you can fix it. So on the NOCO boost plus GB40, a blinking red light error usually means that the unit has detected a safety issue. This can be due to reverse polarity, poor connection, or sometimes low battery voltage. So you need to first of all make sure that the red clamp is on the positive terminal and the black clamp is on the negative terminal. You need to ensure that both the clamps are firmly attached to the clean metal. Loose or the incorrect connections will trigger the safety mode. Now, if the car battery is extremely drained or damaged, the GB40 may not detect it properly. So in this case, the unit stays in the protection mode. So you may need to use the manual override mode. Now you just have to simply press and hold the exclamation mark button, which is going to look something like this. So this is the power button as well. So you need to press and hold it for a few seconds until the light changes. This bypasses safety detection temporarily. Only use this if you are sure that the connections are correct. Afterwards, disconnect the clamps and turn off the GB40. Then wait for 30 seconds and then reconnect and try again. So these steps is going to help you safely resolve the blinking error and start your vehicle. Thanks for watching.